respected principal sir, teachers, and dear brothers and sisters. Let me introduce first. I am Ananya Mishra of class 7B studying in Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Chimpu. I am very glad to stand before you and tell you a story which is taken from Hitopadesh. After hearing this story, you must be able to understand the value of the story. The title of my story is The Greedy Barber. Once in a state of Ayodhya, there lived a great devotee of Lord Shiva. He was a kind and poor Brahmin. He always thought of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva knew all about the deep devotion of the Brahmin. He was very pleased and appeared before him and said, "I am very pleased with you, the Brahmin. You have done a great worship of mine. So I am here to grant you a wish, whatever you desire." The Brahmin was very happy and said, "O my Lord Almighty, I am blessed with your presence. I am very poor. So please give me some wealth." Lord Shiva accepted his wish and told him that you woke up early in the morning and take a bath, then you must shave your hair and went to the nearby forest. Then hide yourself in the bush with a stick. When a beggar passes by, you hit that beggar with a stick, and soon that beggar will turn into a gold statue. Then you will be rich enough to lead a comfortable life. The Brahmin was very happy. In the next day, the Brahmin did the same. He got up early in the morning and went to the barber shop. The barber was surprised to see the Brahmin who came to him to shave his hair so early in the morning. So he was very curious to know, and thus he followed him and hid himself in a dense bush. When a beggar come near the Brahmin hit that beggar with a stick, and instantly that beggar turned into a gold statue. Then, taking that gold statue, the Brahmin went to his hut. The barber was very shocked and surprised to see such a miracle. He thought, this is the only way to be rich. Then he went to his home full of greediness. So, in the next morning, he got up early, shaved his hair, and ran towards the forest, hid himself in a bush with a stick. When a beggar came near him, he hit that beggar with a stick. Then the beggar cried out with severe pain and started bleeding. Hearing such a painful voice, the villagers who were living nearby rushed towards the beggar and saw that beggar died in a minute. Then that barber was taken in front of the king. The king announced his death tomorrow. Thus, the greed of that barber had become the cause of his death. The moral of the story is greediness and cruelty may be the worst thing in the life. Thank you.